What's going on, guys? This is Nick with Teach All Tech. So we're switching up the video format a little bit this week. I wanted to answer some of the common questions that I had when I did my free iPhone iPad workshop in Cumming. One of the questions that a lot of people had was, how often am I supposed to turn off my phone or turn off my computer? Is there a certain amount that I need to? Is it going to slow down if I don't? So the main real answer to this is just as often as you feel is necessary. And I know that sounds kind of funny, but there's not a hard and fast rule to it. So if your computer is acting slow, if it's not doing something the way it should, that's the time when you should restart it. It doesn't ever hurt to turn it off. It really only helps. It's just how often do you want to do it so that it's not an inconvenience to you is the main thing. Another one of the questions was, do I need to let my phone go all the way down to 0 before I charge it? And how often should I charge it? Can I leave it on the charger overnight? So the way the batteries used to work was you had to sort of train them. But battery technology has improved quite a bit since then. So now it's okay to leave it on the charger overnight. You don't have anything to worry about. You don't have to run it down to 0 for it to know where the bottom of the battery is. It does a pretty good job of figuring this out on its own. Another question was, do I need to have multiple antiviruses? Is there a certain one I should use that you recommend, etc.? So on Windows, it comes with Windows Defender built in. This is made by Microsoft. It gets updated frequently, and since it's integrated, you don't have to install anything or really worry about it. You just have to make sure it's turned on. And if you have Windows 10, you can just search in the bottom left search box for Defender. And when this comes up, it'll tell you if it's on or not. And by default, it's on, so you don't really have to worry about it. This isn't the Alexa.Google Home video that you guys were promised. I had some surprise expenses this week, so I had to take care of those. And the fight video is coming, so stay tuned. It's just not going to be this week. And also, I wanted to get you guys' thoughts on starting to review apps, either in a podcast format or in a short daily video format. What do you guys like? Do you guys like watching videos? Do you like passively listening, in the car, that kind of thing? So give me your thoughts on that. And I also want to give a shout out to the 5 or 6 people who like my videos. You guys always gas me up, so appreciate it. It makes me feel like I'm doing a good job, and I want to keep doing it. So thank you guys. And for the people who have subscribed, thank you as well. The content is not stopping anytime soon. So that's all we got for this week. This is Nick with Teach All Tech, logging off.